battery than the standard GoPro.
Happy clappy time.
Yeah, it's not too bad on batteries. That's solid enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good rack, that.
Well, what's in the bag? Well, that's my roll bag with my tent, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, one change of clothes and a small hammer. Perfect for a weekend away, camping on the bike. Oh, in that top bag, to the top case, that's on top of my roll bag, is the tools, a pump and a first aid kit. Combined with a backpack, that's a perfect load of space for a weekend away. But of course, whenever you're packing your bike, you have to give the bike a good run to make sure everything stays stable-ish and in one place.
That's my entire camping stuff. Clothes, tent.
No sleeping bag then?
Sleeping bag.
Oh, you got your...
The smaller one.
Yeah.
You got my big one, still. Keep forgetting about that. Oh, you picked up a wasp.
Oh,
Probably can smell a dead bug on it somewhere. Right then, let's go get a coffee. I'm thirsty. I want a coffee.
I'll leave for a bit, just so we can see what that's like with you following up close behind.
Okay, do you know the way though? Because it's if you go
going to go up
this way, then...
And go straight on at the fork.
Or left at the fork.
We'll go left at the fork.
Yeah. Man, Apture's got some amazing brakes. I'll tell you that. I don't. Off-road tyres didn't like that. How's the wrist?
It's alright actually, it seems to be getting a little bit better.
Maybe you need to exercise it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can hear you, unfortunately.
Time to do the happy clap.
Okay, I'm ready. That would actually mess it up having more claps in.
I'm going to do my clap now.
Okay, do your clap. There we go. I think we should. Look, I'll give it all to you, and then you can work it out. Because I ain't. That's only provided my audio doesn't like mess up or something. Right. This is my seat. Custom seat for my bike. I have got a scrap bit of flooring. I place a scrap bit of flooring on my seat. Now, I haven't perfected this, so here we go. Okay, so the size is wrong, it needs to be thinner. It needs to be thinner. So I need to make it less girthy, it needs to be cut about there. But other than that, it does actually work, so...
Yep, works really well. As your bike falls over on top of you.
That's fine, but look, I'm pushing down like pretty hard and it's fine. So it needs to be a bit thinner, I think. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I can get away with that. I think that's about right, yeah. It's working. Now, how upright's the bike?
Pretty upright. I mean, what you could do...
After a few beers I could see it being
What you
dangerous.
could do is put something like on hinges on your crash bars. Folds.
Yeah, maybe pop something up underneath here, like an ugly stick or something underneath. Yeah, it sort of works, doesn't it? Got back supported.
What's ironic is that the bike's actually got quite a comfy seat that you could just sit on.
Yeah, but like this is
now,
like you're
now you can make your coffee.
You know, I've got a comfortable 90-degree angle. I can lean forward to cook and everything. Yeah, it works. I think it works. I think that works. I think that works quite well. It's actually not that bad. Not that.
Once you've got your balance on it, you're alright.
Yeah,
once you've had a whiskey or two.
Yeah, that's why I've got to test it. Put it to a drink test. How low can
I'd not trust.
How low can I get that before it goes over? Okay, it's upright now, isn't it? The bike's upright, isn't it?
Not quite, still a little bit.
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
It's just because the suspension's compressed against
I thought you were going to break it.
Yeah, it sort of works.
Sort of works.